Stacy Sharice, you alright, man?
Hell, the eyes are weak.
Damn, Louis.
Come on, brother. You wasn't there long enough to catch the HIV.
Rainbow wins in your No Limits. Oh wait, Rainbow wins this today. We play Need for Speed No Limits. Oh my god, we got the Holy Gun, bro. It is weird. Oh my god, I finally realized how to delete it. We gonna press that. No music, sound effects on. Let's go. Okay. Ooh, we got some competition out here, y'all. We got a McLaren out here. Got these Mustangs. These Mustangs are the real nice freaking story. Like, I'm gonna take this person. Oh my god, this is really hard. Come on, boy, okay. Hey. Baby gotta go, dog. I need to pass him through. That's so sexy. Nice work. Kim, your driver is not half bad either. Not Royals material, but not half bad. Okay, I know I'm not that bad. I don't suck in no racing game. Better believe that. 5-0. Your stunts are drawing bad attention. Nah, it was the groupies and meet me at Kim's garage. You got it, buddy. Don't scratch my car. Oh, it's his! I ain't hear about you. Okay. Oh, them demons. Oh, broke his ankles and cuffs. Oh, he broke his ankles and he wasn't even walking. He wasn't even standing. Oh my god. Ooh, baby. Gotta go, buddy. Gotta go. Gotta go, buddy. Oh my god. Oh. Okay. Not what I thought, but okay. Oh, shit. I just jumped over a police car. It rises upon the heavens above. The Mustang 5.0. Wait, is that a 5.0? Yes, it's a GT. I don't know, nigga, it's a 500. Mommy, he's on. Oh my god, if I get arrested. Everybody. Send up there, went to a Chinese New Year. Don't do it. Okay. Ooh, okay. Oh my god. Okay. He's gonna pull up it. Oh. Hey, my own garage. Well, what do you know? I feel so bad. I regret it. I totally regret it. I can't believe I had to get rid of my 1999. Well, that fender needs a new paint job, doesn't it? I can't add this car to my collection like this. Never mind. Pony up the blueprints you promised, and we'll fix the fender, no charge. Deal. Champ, you have your own garage, right? Here's 3 blueprints to build your first car. See ya. Okay, I got 3 of them. Okay. Mo. What did I get? I wonder what I got. New car complete. Oh snap, I got a Subaru BRZ. Oh my god, that is so sexy. Sorry, my parents playing that darn song. Oh my god. So nice. Wait a minute. Oh, you pressed the screen. Dang, I'm so dumb. You're off to a great start. Call my friend Tyler to see if he can help you tune this beauty. Basic car manufacturer parts, no materials. Nothing I can do. Yeah. Erasing in the campaign will solve that. It's a rule. It's the rule to get materials to race winners. This campaign doing. So I can't do nothing to my car? Oh, you gotta be kidding me. Oh, snap! Wait, I'm telling you now something. Hey, I still got them all. What do you know? Well, Ringo is out the building for this first one. Pretty short, but it was pretty fun. And we just got a Subaru BRZ. She's blue. She's so pretty. Hang on. Okay, we go with this car here. Oh, what? This game runs its own gas, like CSR Racing. I remember last time I played it. Okay, this is our car. Stocked. Not sexy yet. Well, it's pretty much sexy. It just need a spoiler. Wait, isn't it a spoiler? I mean, you can. No, I don't know. But we're gonna go Williams out right quick. I'll be back. See you later, y'all.